In the last video, you guys saw with a pivot table how you can group the data and how it separates different values for different groups and how you can choose what you want to see down here in the values. What we're going to see in this one is basically the similar idea, but also add filtering on. So for example, let's say I want to count the number of students by grade in the school. So I go to rows and let's say I want to group by grade. So I group by grade. Now I want to show how many people in each grade. So let's go to value, add, and let's count the number of unique IDs. So IDs and count A. Okay, and then I got the count. Now, let's say I have a question and I want to know, well, I don't want the number of students. I want to know the number of students that are passing. Well, we're not going to change the row. We're not going to change the value. We're going to change the filter. Sorry, we're going to add a filter. So just like before where you could add a filter in Excel spreadsheet view, you can add a filter here as well to start selecting. And you can add multiple filters. So let's try this one. Let's just go for passing. Let's go add a filter on score. And right now it says showing all items. What we're going to do is we'll just change that and go to filter by condition. And when you select it, you get all the choices here. And again, we have our greater than or equal to, and we'll set it to 50 and hit OK. Again, make sure this says select all, right? You haven't cleared it out. And you can see the numbers obviously went down. Of course, the data, a couple students in every grade failed. We have less numbers there. And so that's a nice little filter you can do. Let's say you wanted to know this for international students too. Okay, let's say you want to know how many international students are passing in each grade. Well, I'm going to show you two ways here. We could add another grouping. Grouping might do it. Let's add another grouping of international. And it gives us a little more data when we want, because we know the international is the ones, but it did for grade 8s. It did a subgroup of international, and it broke it down. And now I can see in each grade, I can see how many are passing. That filter that here is still working on both those groups. And so we get a little extra information about the non-internationals too, but it works. If I drag this above the grade, it may look a little bit differently. It may actually look a bit cleaner because now it says internationals are all grouped together down here. So it does the international group first, then it subgroups on grade, right? So just to let you know, you can fiddle around and try to fiddle around and pay attention and see how it changes your data, right? It's not too bad. Now, can we do, let's see who's getting a B. Sure, we can do a double filter. Let me take this student ID one out. Whoops, I shouldn't have done that one. I'm going to undo. Let me take the filter off. Let me add another score filter. Add score. And this time I'll do a double filter. I'll say, let's do one where it's greater or equal to, and let me do B's, 73. And let's add another score filter. Oops. Sorry guys, I just took a second back here. I'm going to change my filter. I'm just going to change it from greater. I forgot in Google Sheets it's a little different. I want is between because I'm trying to go between two values. So let's say is between, and I want between 73 and 85. Hit OK. And you can see now I've got the ones that do that, right? If you want to apply extra filters like grade 10 only, even though grade 10 is showing and you could read it there, but let's say you don't want to confuse your readers. You don't want to show the other grades. You could add another filter. You could say add grade, and with the grades, let's go clear and just show grade, let's say grade 10. Whoops, grade 10 only. And so you can see there you got that. Let's say with the internationals, I don't want to show the ones that aren't international. Let's go add international, and let's just show the ones that are international. So now you can see we're showing international students, grade 10, and how many have between 73 and 85, right? So multiple filters on there. So they work pretty well exactly like your other sheet. You just have to do them down here with the drag and drop. And that's basically filters.